Hi there everyone, this is Jayant and welcome to another episode of Uncut Marketing, and in this episode we are going to talk about e-commerce funnels. Well, funnels are the best thing since sliced bread, and I'm not talking about all these fancy softwares like ClickFunnels or GroupFunnels or anything. Rather, in this episode we are going to talk about the basics of how people buy and how you can structure your own e-commerce funnels. So before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to this channel because in this channel we bring a lot of stuff like digital marketing, e-commerce, freelancing, and so many other things that you would love injected straight into your YouTube feed almost daily. All right, without any further ado, let's get started. Right, so we were talking about funnels, and there have been a lot of funnel software, but I see a lot of people talk about funnels. They start their own funnels, but they don't understand the concept of funnels. The whole point of having a marketing funnel in place is to reduce your marketing cost in overall. So whenever you start a business, there are certain metrics you need to look at. There is a cost per lead, cost per customer acquisition, which is basically the cost per sale, and the lifetime value of a customer. So the cost per lead and cost per acquisition, the unit metrics, they're very important to understand how much it costs you to get one customer. But what happens when you get that customer? Does that customer lose its value? Is that the lifetime value of a customer? Or you can increase the lifetime value of a customer. So if you don't know, lifetime value of the customer is the amount of money a customer spends on your website throughout his lifetime. So how long that customer stays and how much money the customer spends on your website. That's what it is. And it's never ever a one-time transaction thing. So if you think that your e-commerce business is not getting a lot of repeat purchases, I'm sorry, that's not a business. That is going downhill very, very soon. Why? Because if your customers are not coming back to you, you are losing your customer and you are solely depending on the cost per customer acquisition or the cost per lead. All right. So in that case, what should you do? How can you put a system in place so that you lose money on the front end only once, and after that whatever happens is complete profit? So that's what we are going to talk about, and that's why you need a funnel. A funnel basically does that. Funnel is all about bringing in the customers at a certain cost. You might lose money while bringing in the customer, but retaining that customer to keep increasing the lifetime value of a customer, and while providing that level of value to that particular customer. All right, so yeah, let's talk about it. So what happens is, in general, e-commerce stores look at e-commerce in a very linear way. You spend money on Facebook, you get ROI, and you're pretty much done. But that's not how it ends. That's not where your customers' problems end. Right? As an entrepreneur or as a businessman, your job is to help other people through your products or through your services. Right? But when you just run ads, sell the products, and sit back and relax, you are not technically solving anybody's problem. Right? So in that case, how do you solve people's problem? So any customer that you pick up, let's talk about a specific niche. Let's talk about beauty niche. Okay. So one of the friends that I know, she is having pimple problems. She has a lot of pimples on her face and she's worried about it. Okay. For good reasons, obviously. She's worried about it, and this is one of the biggest problems. All right. Now imagine if she comes across a particular beauty product that helps solve the pimples problems, but that's not where the problem ends. Okay. Pimples stop coming up, but then again, the marks remain, or the things, the redness remains. How do you solve that? That's another problem. And how do you know that the solution is permanent? The solution can very well be temporary. That means there has to be some other system in place that gives her that natural beauty throughout for a prolonged period of time. All right. So the problem doesn't end with just one solution. There is, as long as we exist, there are more and more problems. And as long as there are problems, there is an opportunity for entrepreneurs like you and me to help solve those problems. So imagine a scenario, imagine you being in a beauty company, framing your funnel just like that. In the front end funnel, in the front end product or service, that just helps solve one small problem, a very specific, irritating problem. Let's say redness of the skin. It does not make the pimples go away, but it does cure the redness of the skin. All right. Now the customer is hooked on to your product. Now you can start nurturing the customer, start providing them value, start providing them tips and tricks that they can use at home to help clear their face or anything else. All right. So what this does is this builds a lot of trust in customers' mind. Next, what you need to do is, while you are nurturing, you can subtly promote yourself. Okay, you can obviously do all these things yourself, or you can let us help you. So there are always three stages of a funnel. There is one which is do it yourself. The second is let's do it with you. Let me do it with you. Let me study it. Let me handle it for you one-on-one. And third is a done for you solution. As long as there is a problem, there are always these three steps of a solution. All right. So we cured the redness. Now there is a problem of pimples. All right. Now you can upsell another product which cures the pimples. Now, how do you know that pimples won't come back? All right, because it's very much an internal thing. It's not very much of an external thing, right? It depends on the warmth of your body, the toxicity in your blood, the way you live, the way you sleep. So many things. It's basically a lifestyle problem, right? Imagine if you're coming up with a product or a program that helps change the lifestyle, that cures all sorts of skin diseases, right? Now that's another product. So now you have three products in place. Now that one customer that you bought in, they spend money on the front end funnel, but for all the other products, you are not spending any more money to acquire that customer. You are basically nurturing the same customer, providing them more and more value and asking them to pay more because the value is more as well. And that's what funnels are all about. Now you can use all sorts of software, ClickFunnels or GrooveFunnels or whatever funnels that there are nowadays. But ultimately it depends on how big the problem is of a customer and how many products you can create to help solve the customer's problem. And that's all about it. The better you solve customer's problem, the better you are rewarded with money. Initially you are rewarded with trust. With enough trust, customer decides to reward you with money. Right? And that's how things work. So I hope that helps. I hope that helps you plan out your funnel, how you can find out different problems of your customers and solve them. First, the front end offer can cost you a little bit of money, but as the customers enter your marketing funnel, your marketing system, you can keep on nurturing them, keep on providing them insane value while promoting your product and make money on the back end. That's how these things are designed. So I hope that is clear to you, and let me know in the comments, what do you think? Are you able to structure your own funnel? If not, let me know. Let me help you out structuring your funnels for you. All right. Tata, see you, bye bye, and all the best. And do subscribe, like, share, and all that stuff that these kids say these days. And yeah, let me know and follow me on Instagram and everywhere that you can find me. All right. Chalo then. Bye bye. See ya and have a good day.